Printing a PDF to Docutech using your MacBook Air has a few different steps than what we're used to, so this is going to run through those. When you have a PDF open, you go File to Print, and this is what you will see. Now this looks different and is a different set of steps than what you will do when you're printing a Word document. So you choose Print Center, you select the number of copies that you want, and then collated is usually what happens. Now it defaults to print on both sides of paper, which I'm assuming most of us want when we have multiple pages. So that's what we're doing. If you want to change that, you can change that. You just unclick it. Then you're going to set Print Center Copies. Make sure that's what you want. And then what we want you to do and what you'll need to do is click on this printer button, the blue printer button down at the bottom. Now this is a different step from printing a Word document, and you will have this dialog box here, and just click Do Not Show This Message again, and yes. After you hit that printer button there, you will see this print window come up. Ignore this copies. This is not the copies that Docutech will read. It will read the initial 50 copies that is hidden right back there. Now at this point you don't really have to do anything, except now you're going to hit the layout menu here, and what you'll see, this is a drop down menu that has a few different options, and that layout is really just the menu item that is default selected, and you want to go down to Xerox Features and click on Xerox Features, and this will then look a little more familiar to what we're used to from our previous methods of printing. Most commonly we're just going to choose the color that we want and then be done, but also we have two-sided printing menu here and finishing, which would be stapling here. If you're printing a legal size paper or an 11 by 17, that you're going to find that under Advanced Paper Selection. So after you've selected paper color, two-sided printing or not, selected your staples, or selected an alternative paper source, the next thing you're going to do is, this is another drop-down menu. It starts on paper/output, and what that's going to get you to is going to get you to the account screen menu. On that drop-down menu, you're going to switch to the Job Notes menu. So we're on the Job Notes section, and under Sender Name, or next to Sender Name, the first time you're going to have to enter the 17-digit copy code with the unique department copy code of these three X's here. So it's the 065 and then whatever you enter at the lounge copy room, that's what you enter here. But these first five, then the rest of these are all the same. It's these three X's that are unique to your department. In the future, when you do printing again, it will say use login name just as it does here, but it'll say it here. You just click this drop-down menu and select the copy code that you have. If you print to two different departments, like oftentimes I will print using student activities, I will have two copy codes to choose from. So it will save that, and just make sure you choose the select one if you have multiple. Then they also want you to enter in the delivery information. So Andy Malone Social Studies CMS, that makes sense. Then you hit print. It will bring you back to the initial print menu after you hit File Print. Ensure that your copies are correct, because this is where your copies are decided. And then you can hit print, and it will send it to Docutech.